ST Microelectronics, BIT, STM, ISIN, and L0000226223. ST Microelectronics NV, also known as ST or STM, is an Italian-French company operating in the electronics sector semiconductor segment. Specifically, ST Microelectronics designs and manufactures semiconductor solutions, including automotive devices, integrated circuits, memories, microcontrollers, transistors, smart cards, etc. ST's solutions are applied in smart driving, smart industry, smart home and city, and smart things. A brief history of ST Microelectronics. In 1987, SGS Thomson Microelectronics was formed from the merger of SGS Microelectronics of Italy and Thomson Semiconductors of France, a division of Thomson SA. In May 1998, Thomson SA withdrew from the capital, and the company was renamed ST Microelectronics. ST's products find application in the following areas: industrial, power generation and distribution, LED lighting and controls, factory automation, medicine and healthcare, domestic and professional appliances, metering, point-of-sale and retail logistics, home and city automation, power supplies and converters, industrial drives, intelligent agriculture, industrial motor control, power, and industrial tools. Automotive, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, automotive engine control, body applications, active and passive safety systems, electromobility, onboard infotainment, mobility services, powertrain for ICE, telematics, and networks. Personal electronics, audio and video, gaming and drones, personal care and hygiene, smartphones, tablets and e-readers, virtual and augmented reality, and wearable devices. Communication equipment, computers and peripherals, database, SOHO, small office, home office, servers, telecommunications infrastructure. Internet of Things applications, for smart homes and cities, smart industries, for smart things. Functions, automotive and industrial engine control, cloud connectivity, safety, and sensing. That is why we like ST Microelectronics so much right now. As concerns of a recession and a slowdown in chip sales increase, semiconductor stocks are becoming very cheap. ST Microelectronics is one such stock. Trading for just over 10 times 12-month earnings per share, this stock could be a good way to bet on the gradual electrification and digitization of the automotive industry. ST Micro is everywhere. ST Micro is everywhere, but it has several secular growth trends working in its favor that could keep the company in a strong growth mode over the next decade. A small chip manufacturer with bigger ambitions. During an investor event in May 2022, ST Micro presented some ambitious growth plans. The company thinks it will exceed $20 billion in annual revenue between 2025 and 2027. If ST Micro succeeds, it would be a significant achievement for shareholders. Not only would this be a growth company, but profitability would increase faster due to higher margins on products sold. Of course, there are risks for this stock, especially for US-based investors. In particular, the Federal Reserve's aggressive interest rate hikes have led the US dollar to an incredible run-up against other currencies, such as the euro. A stronger dollar decreases the value of income reported in other currencies. Furthermore, although ST Micro is receiving some government aid to expand, it is still disbursing money at this time to purchase equipment. Cash used in investing increased by almost 150% year-on-year in Q2 2022 to $676 million. However, it is worth putting ST Microelectronics on your checklist. Financial data. In 2021, STM reported revenue up 24.88% to $12.76 billion. Net income increased by 80.83% to $2 billion. In the last quarter of this year, STM increased revenue by 35.16% to $4.32 billion compared to the same period last year. Net income increased 131.86% to $1.10 billion. In 2022, STM is expected to end the year with revenue of $14 to $16 billion and a net income of $3.8 to $4.5 billion. This is a clear indication of ST Microelectronics' remarkable growth, largely due to the market's great demand. We believe this trend will continue for at least 5 to 10 years. Conclusion: TSM shares are down 19% since the beginning of the year as the bear market has hit them, but this is still a strong growth company thanks to automotive, industrial, and energy technology. If the company reaches its revenue and profitability targets of $20 billion in the next 3 to 5 years, the stock can make you and us a lot of money from here.